action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, we're back. I just got back from the cabin. My aunt and uncles, it's like middle of nowhere, bro. Was out there for about a week, just like helping them out with stuff. No Wi-Fi, no signal. So we're here now. We're just gonna keep this casual. I was sitting in the sun earlier and I just feel like lately edited video, mainly just chilling with you guys. I don't feel like entertaining that much. But like I feel like it enough to hop on the camera because I got two cool things to show you. First off, thumbs up, comment down below. Please do that. Engagement helps a lot, especially when I know we're S-H-O-D. I'm spelling shadow ban, so that helps so much. Boys, I think first off, I found out a hack. I'm quite sure to find real diamond jewelry at thrift stores. I'll get into that in a bit, but first we have an unboxing right here. Something I'm so stoked for, which is why I had to film this video. Also, I've been gone for so damn long, boys. This is great to be back. So, okay, I told myself I'm gonna try to do this with no cuss and just chill with you guys. I'm super excited. Namebrandfam.com, link is down below. Get your free jewelry on there. 2 free pieces for the price of 1 shipping. So what we got right here, boys, is a hat. You guys know I've been wearing this quite a bit sometimes. This is pretty much broke from my boy Seth Fowler, fellow YouTuber. Just a homie, man. Came to the wedding all the way, like came to my wedding all the way from New Jersey. Just love that dude, all the way to Canada. So I like this style. And I have another style in this box right here. Now you guys also know I collect NFTs, which I know a lot of people feel like kind of weird about. God, fuck, ow! Cut my finger. So I collect NFTs, boys, right? And this is kind of like an NFT, like merch hat. What I've been doing with NFTs lately is collecting more like artwork. You guys know I'm big into the artwork. You see my upstairs room that we used to film in. My pants are falling down. I got artwork everywhere. I've been collecting autographs for a long time, posters, stuff like that. So I've been like collecting like artwork NFTs. This is from a guy named Jack Butcher. He does visualized value. They're pretty, this isn't sponsored, but they're pretty big on Instagram, Twitter, stuff like that. Okay, here we go, boys. Frick. I'm gonna have to break this one in. The fit looks really weird right now. But this is no Pepin shape. It's a hat I just wanted to unbox. I'm gonna really have to. I'm so picky with my hat, boys. That's why I always have the same freaking hat. I'm a little pissed. I'm not pissed. It's nice, but I'm a little pissed. See the shape on this? It's nice and rounded, right? That buckles it. We're just gonna try it on, man. Oof, we got some work to do. We got some work to do. I'm gonna try this backwards real quick. Boys, no cuts! No cuts! It's the way I want to do it today. It's the way I feel like doing it. It'll work for now. Anyway, there's the hat. So boys, it's kind of sick. Is it sick from the back? We haven't done a clothing unboxing in a minute. Look at the back. So that's what Pepin eyes. He does like cool, like very minimalistic artwork. Also with NFTs, artwork sells. You can make really good money off it. You can also get really screwed over. I still love NFTs. It's mainly just collecting, right? And you guys know I love to collect. All right, we're back. I said no cuts, but I cut it. I looked in the mirror, bro. We'll make it work. So while Pepin, like I said, it's an NFT. I've got like, I spent like 25 grand buying a lot of those. So I'm pretty into those. And I love the shape. It's like 2 eyes, man. Oh, Pepin is like, it doesn't matter. Anyway, let's get on to the jewelry because you guys care about that. I thought a nice clothing unboxing would be cool. We haven't done this in a while. We haven't chatted in a while. Just chilled out. You know what I mean? Mom! Meatloaf! So, what I did, like I said, I went to the cabin, right? She should be down in a second. I went to the cabin on the way back. Now, it's like way out from where I live. On the way back, I saw this thrift store, and I love thrifting, right? Generally try to stay away from the value villages. I don't know if you guys got that in the States. The value villages, the Goodwills, the big chains that like know what like their items are now, you know what I mean? You're not even getting damn deals there anymore, man. Not to mention pawn shops, so like we're not buying jewelry from these big places is what I'm saying. I saw this little jewelry, or I saw this little, this little pawn shop on the way home. Or not, fuck pawn shops, by the way. Fuck pawn shops. Not pawn shops, I'm banned from all of them. I saw this little, it was like, it wasn't like a Goodwill, it was like their own little place where I thought I'd stop in there, a thrift store. I'd stop in there, check out what they have. Maybe they don't do the research on these pieces. I went and checked out the jewelry. My mom also collects glass, like really nice, like old art glass pieces. So I usually pick her up something like that. I did. I already gave that to her, so I'm not gonna show that. But I went in their jewelry, and I went in this bin, and of course there's tangled necklaces like usual. I think there was some jewelry hanging on the wall, mainly beaded, stuff like that, but I found this ring, boys. Now this ring, it's heavy. And I'm pretty sure it's real diamond. This is like, not like, I guess guys style, but if this is real, like I think it is, we're looking at thousands of freaking dollars here, and my hack in mind is don't go to the Goodwills, don't go to all that, go to these little like thrift stores where it's like family owned or something, where they don't do research, and you might be able to find stuff. You know what I mean? People might just bring stuff in. I think like I'm a genius right now, by the way, boys. I've been thinking this out. A new series, if this passes, where we travel everywhere to thrift stores and we buy, like, we screw them, I guess. But, like, so if this is real, by the way, we're gonna find out now. We're gonna diamond test it. We'll do, like, a video of driving over there or something and, like, maybe sending them money. Anyway, here it is. Like I said, it's maybe not your style, but I was really excited to pick it up. Right away, what I saw with the weight, it was the weight, right? And this looks like real gold, too, in my opinion. Now, right there, you can also see some white gold at the top. I looked in here, and there is some sort of marking, but I think it's been worn so much where you can't, like, I don't know, I might just be being really hopeful right now, but I'm pretty sure this is real gold, boys. So I sent a photo to my boy. He's like, bro, if that's real, holy shit. Yes! Oh, there's diamonds on the side. I didn't even know that. So that's more diamonds than I thought. He's like, if this is real, you're talking thousands. So boys, here's a video testing this. I haven't done it yet. Like I said, I got back yesterday, so I've been really damn excited. I don't know what the hell that blue gem on the inside would be. I actually didn't ask him. I don't know if there's blue diamonds. I'm very doubtful on that. But anyway, we're just gonna test this, see if we came up on a W. I got this for $12.99, boys, at the thrift. I think my whole bill was like $35 or something after getting my mom a piece of glass. Okay, moment of truth. If this works, boys, we're thrifting everywhere. I'm going all around town. I'm driving out of town. I don't even like highways, bro. They freak me out. Those semis rolling past, they'll crush you in a minute. Happened to one of my friends. All right, boys. Diamond tester engaged. We're gonna test on the gold first. I don't know why we do that. I don't know. I'm just trying to bring up the... Boys, wish me luck. This would be such a huge come up, and I'm... My boy I sent photos to, who is a jeweler, thought highly of it. Let's fucking go! Yes! $12.99! I think that's what I said. I think $12.99. Yeah, that's what I paid. I added 2 things to my bill, so I'm trying to figure out what one was which. Let's test another diamond, boys. So this is the hack. You just don't go to the big thrift stores. You say F them. You don't bring your stuff there either. You take them to the little mom and pop shops. I don't know what the thing in the middle is. So now that's making me nervous. Because I don't know if there's blue diamonds out there. I know there's like pink ones and brown ones. I don't know if there's blue ones. Shoot. Now I'm just thinking this might be faulty. Let me know down below, boys. Expertise. Is there blue diamonds? I'm going to go right after this and check my phone. Because that means that's a diamond too. Unless it's like... What would that be, graphite or something? What's the rock? Probably like graphite or something, unless that passed the diamond tester. Hold on. Let's get a fake chain. Now I'm thinking this thing might just be passing everything. Okay. Okay, we're good. Oh man. New series coming soon. We're thrifting for jewelry, boys. It's closed today, it's a Tuesday. Every time I go to, or my jeweler that I like, I talked about him in other videos, he's closed on Tuesdays for some reason. So I'm gonna go in and get a second opinion. But that's a nice little come up for today, boys. Holy hell. I'm gonna price this out like 10,000 bucks. These look like good SIs. I wouldn't say they're VVS whatsoever, not even VS. They look like good SIs. Another reason I liked it is because they are quite imperfect. And usually I find when you are looking at fake diamonds, they're usually pretty flawless, right? Flawless looking. So yeah, and this gold looks perfect. Boys, what a freaking come up. I'm stoked. I'm probably gonna go to that gold shop and check there too, maybe in a video. I'm banned from it, but maybe they won't remember me. I'm banned from all those in the city too. I don't know, we'll get it sorted out. That's such good news, man. quick casual video. Let me know about the hat, man. I gotta break it in. I might loosen it up a little bit. Usually I like to run it under some warm water and then wear it on my head and it molds to my head a little bit. You know what I mean? Switch back to this real quick, boys. Oh, appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gonna go back out and sit in the sun, edit this up real quick. I think this was a fun casual one. This is gonna be like 10 minutes. That's insane. We haven't done that in a while. That means I get paid a little bit more. You know what I mean? From YouTube. Whatever that is. Thumbs up, comment. Love you guys. Let me know if you want more casual videos. It's just like, then I could do this like twice a day. You know what I mean? Because editing takes me forever. That'd be awesome. Okay. Peace. Love y'all.